and on we'll go.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to today's video. I should probably put this car in park so I don't kill anyone. Guys, driving in LA is not my forte. Chrissy over here, do you want to pop in? Chrissy over here, she's definitely recognized that. Not my thing. I bought a bike because I don't know. I just don't like driving in LA. It freaks me out. But anyway, today's video, we are going to be doing DIY Starbucks drinks. And then I am basically going to be taste testing them to see, you know, if people can really tell the drink that I made versus the drink that Starbucks makes. We just pulled into Target. I'm gonna go buy some ingredients to go make these drinks. Also, I don't have an espresso machine, so we're gonna have to try to figure that out. I think you can get K-cups that make espresso. I don't know, we're gonna see. But yeah, so that's today's video and let's head in. So I'm trying to see what the ingredients are in a Starbucks pumpkin spice latte. It says milk, pumpkin spice sauce. Hold on, I need like an actual like recipe. This is not helping me at all. I should have came prepared, guys. 3 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. What the heck is pumpkin puree?
It's what you use to make a pie.
Okay, well, let's see if we can get espresso, because we don't have an espresso machine, but I'm assuming I can get espresso K-cups, right? Okay, so right now, because there is no Starbucks espresso, I'm trying to decide between the Starbucks Plus, which is coffee with 2 times the amount of caffeine, or if I go for the espresso style. The only thing on, it literally just says dark roast coffee though. But if I do this, you guys are gonna be like, whoever taste tests this is gonna be like super wired. We're gonna do this. But it's also like $16 for 16 K-cups. That's insane. So now I have almond milk at my place. We now have the espresso, air quotes, and then I need whipped cream too. So I'm gonna go grab those ingredients, and then we're also gonna figure out if these are all the same ingredients for a frappuccino or if I'm gonna need additional ingredients. Yes, please. Low-key getting pumpkin spice drinks when we're about to go make pumpkin spice drinks. This is normal. Normal people deal with this. So basically this is what we need to recreate. We need to make it look like that.
I am home. I am going to be trying to make these DIY Starbucks drinks. I got all of the things I think I'm going to need to successfully do this. So the very first thing I got was the Starbucks Plus. Now this is coffee with 2 times the amount of caffeine and it's a dark roast. So I am assuming this is just gonna be our makeshift espresso. My roommate showed me this, but basically it is a plant-based milk barista style. It says foams and froths. So we're gonna try to use this. If it's an absolute fail, I have almond milk here kind of as a backup. And then I also have my pumpkin spice coffee syrup and my pumpkin puree. I don't know. It just said to get that on the recipe. We also have pure vanilla extract, whipped cream, pumpkin pie spice, and then we also have cinnamon, like ground cinnamon. And then we also have this little thing that apparently, well, will froth the milk. Once again, I don't know how this is gonna go, but we're gonna try it. I saved a few of these recipes like on my phone. First one we're gonna do is going to be the hot pumpkin spice latte. Okay, so I need half of a cup of brewed, oh, just kidding. Okay, I need half a cup of milk. Okay, I also need 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. I'm gonna mix this in with the milk, and then when I froth it, it'll all go in together, is my assumption. All right, now I'm gonna mix it all together and try to, whoa, this is so cool. First thing we're gonna put in is some of the air quotes espresso. This like pumpkin mix here. Now I just want to put a tiny bit, like a little dash of the pumpkin pie spice, and then I'm gonna top it off with some whipped cream, put a little bit more of that seasoning on, and then give this a taste. Okay, in all honesty, like look at, okay, it doesn't look as pretty on camera. I have a strong feeling that they're gonna be able to guess which one is mine. Now we're moving on to the iced pumpkin spice latte. I'm gonna go ahead and brew my espresso one more time. We're gonna go let that brew and then immediately I'm gonna put that in the fridge so it can start like cooling down. So this one says a 4th cup of cold brew coffee, which like I said, we're just gonna have this. Oh, it says or chilled espresso, which is exactly what we're gonna do. 1 tablespoon of pumpkin puree, 1 to 2 tablespoons of half and half heavy cream or milk, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice or more for garnish. Okay, let's try this. Okay, literally this kitchen just keeps getting messier and messier, but I had to go run to Starbucks really fast to go get our testers. So these are basically the ones that whenever these are like the ones for comparison to see like actually how they are. Wow guys, this video just turned into well, let's be real, it was a mess the whole time. But now I just need to make the frappuccino. So I'm gonna put all of this with my 4 shots of espresso, which is somewhere, it's right here, which it's been chilling in the fridge, so it should be fine. A 3rd cup of syrup, which is awesome because I got this. Okay, that's a lot of syrup. Okay, perfect, this is good. Put this on. I feel like I'm gonna need some more ice, but. And now I just need to blend this. I don't even know how to work the blender. This is horrible. You guys have no idea how hard this is to try to like get this all set up. And then I have to put it in a way that they're not, well, for one, I don't want them to know which ones are which. And then originally I was like, oh, I could give them all a different glass, but that's a lot of work. So I'm just trying to clean up.
Look at all of these. You told me
Oh! All of these.
Go layer it up there, girl. Layer it up. Layer it up, baby.
Okay, basically I'm trying to garnish all of them so that you can't tell by looking at it which one I made and which one Starbucks made. Okay, you guys ready? Oh gosh, this is such a mess.
You're doing great. Can I eat the whipped cream later?
Okay, so I'm bringing in my roommates to do a little bit of a taste test. So we have the hot drink, the cold drink, well, the hot latte, the cold latte, and then we also have the frappuccino. I have pull whipped cream on them and I have like garnished them all so that they all look relatively similar. Here, 3 of these are ones that I made and 3 of these Starbucks made. These ones, 1 I made, 1 Starbucks made. Tried to trick them with the, you know, the Starbucks cup. And then, but I did have to take off the label. But then these ones are the hot ones. Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Yes? So this is Chrissy, this is Kaylee, and this is Maddie. All right.
Subscribe. Give us a like.
Okay.
Okay.
Come on over. Okay, so once again.
Which one do we start with?
Which one do you guys want? Hot or cold?
Hot. Hot.
Hot?
Should
All
we
right.
say it after we try it?
Sure.
Like, I'll try it and then we all say which
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
You try it, you try it, you try it,
and then we say it. 'Cause
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
like,
yeah.
I'll be influenced.
I'll be influenced.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
I'm sorry.
Ready? Okay, so I tried to make this very sanitary, but then we ran out of cups. So this is the best we got. Okay, but just don't say the answer
Don't
yet.
say yet. So try that one then.
Okay.
Okay. Don't say anything yet.
Now I'm gonna go.
I'm forgetting which one I made.
This video is sponsored by Nix at Indiana University.
Wouldn't that be great?
Shout out.
Oh, it's okay, I'll be fine.
I almost said exactly what that was. Cause I love Starbucks.
Oh yeah, you're an expert.
Whoa!
Oh no.
No, it's great!
Alright, now you're scaring
No,
me.
just dive in. It tastes like so normal.
For sure.
Is it really that bad?
Yeah!
Is it really?
It's not.
Wait, the one I tried.
It's
the
not.
one I made earlier wasn't bad.
It's good if you didn't know what Starbucks tastes
Yeah.
It's good. It's
Don't
good.
lie to her.
It's good. Yeah, drink more of it for sure.
That's for sure.
Thank you.
Starbucks.
Yeah, it is.
It's just like a little watery.
Oh no. Okay, now these two.
I need a water.
And we might need a straw.
Cleanser.
I need a power. I'm gonna clear my sinuses.
It's not that
No, it's not. It's not that
I'm nervous.
bad. Do all things through Christ, your tissue.
bad. I actually don't remember which one's real.
I actually can already tell you which one it is.
By looking at it?
Oh yeah, you knew the placement.
I didn't know the placement. No, I mean, I just go to Starbucks frequently. I'll use a non-Starbucks straw.
I have a question on second interest everything.
Okay.
Oh, I haven't had that in so long. I mean, that I have to taste that one. I'm sorry, I have to taste that. After you.
Guys, my heart is breaking.
No, don't.
Average. Average. I mean, not that I know which one is which. Okay.
Not good. It's that. I'm sorry.
Wait, wait a second. I haven't even tried it.
Where is the
Yeah, let me
pumpkin?
get you. Let me get you.
Where's the pumpkin in that? It's not good.
Don't drink it again.
Okay, yeah, no, that was bad. Don't do that. That was
All right,
bad.
frappuccinos. Do we use straws? Do we not use straws?
It's up to you.
I'm excited for the fraps though. honestly.
I'm ready for the frap.
So it's what? We all get one?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
This is how it was supposed to go, and then I ran out of cups.
Wow.
Okay. Let's do the other one.
Big fan of that.
Big fan.
Good.
One.
Okay.
Well, chunky.
If it was a protein smoothie, I would say yes.
Yeah. Yeah, for real. For real. That tastes keto.
I don't know.
Honestly, I
It's
just
the best one that you've made. For sure.
Maybe it's different in your class.
No, that's the Starbucks one you keep drinking.
Oh, babe.
I actually haven't tried any of the cold drinks. I don't know what order they're in.
You'll know.
I'm gonna assume this one's probably mine. Oh yeah.
Right? But it is the best one you've made.
Okay guys, so I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I literally spent all morning on this, so it's a little bit sad that it's a tad bit of a fail, but if you want to save some money, I think you can deal with some chunky frappuccinos. That's all I gotta say. But if you guys enjoyed, be sure to go ahead, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below if you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys later. Bye! Yeah, you should do that.